Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will cover the different forms of relationships in a UML diagram. We have covered 3 of these relationships. The others, inshallah bi'idhnillah and God willing, we can cover later on. But since you will not truly need them at this moment, I decided to wait and cover them later on. Possibly I will create a playlist dedicated only for UML. So I will probably group all of the UML videos from the Java tutorial playlist and place them in a separate playlist, because these relationships can be used for any programming language, since this is a diagrammatic representation. It is irrelevant or irrespective of programming languages and their respective syntaxes. So we have covered realization, which is for interfaces, and as you can see here, the source is on the left side and the target is on the right side. The source here would be the class, and the target will be the interface that the class implements. We have covered generalization, also known as inheritance, where the subclass is the source and inherits the parent class, which is the target. We have also covered composition, the relationship between a class and a composed class. So the composed, the source would be the class that contains the target class or the composed class as an instance variable. We also have aggregation, which is similar to composition, but we will cover that later on, inshallah. Containment also is slightly similar to composition. Association normally has a word within the line to indicate how one class is associated with another class. But as you can see, it is a straight line, not as colorful as the other ones. And finally, dependency. You may have heard this at your workplace, especially if you are using automation tools such as Maven or Gradle, or perhaps even Node.js, or any package manager such as what was the other one? Was it Yarn? I believe it was called. I do not remember. Which shows you that the source requires the target or depends on the presence of the target to function fully. So we will cover dependency, association, aggregation, and containment later on, inshallah. But I will be attaching this diagram with this video. If you would like to learn at your own pace by yourself or through other means, feel free to do so. But inshallah, to have a comprehensive tutorial, I intend to cover these bi'idhnillah, but not currently. I would rather focus on Java first before I divert my attention to other projects. That way I can finish this as quickly and as diligently and as promptly as I can. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim fil alamin innaka hamidun majid.